VinFast Global EV premiere at the LA Auto Show. Today marks an important milestone in VinFast history. Not only will you get to see VinFast's newest EV models, but today VinFast also celebrates its major debut in the United States. As we just announced, VinFast is investing more than $200 million to establish its US-based headquarters right here in Los Angeles. You'll hear more exciting news about VinFast, but for now, relax and enjoy a quick video on the screens about VinFast, a member of Vingroup, one of the leading private conglomerates in the region.
Hello, from Vietnam, home to one of the world's fastest growing economies. Established in 1993, Vingroup is one of the leading conglomerates in the region, with a total capitalization of $35 billion from 3 publicly traded companies as of November 4th, 2021.
Now, without any further ado, it's our pleasure to unveil the newest cars from VinFast. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Michael Lohscheller to unveil the VF e35.
Let's do a second take.